Good morning, everyone. This is Kiji Wizzy, our cat. We have two cats in our house. The gray one, the black mixed with gray, and the other one is black and white. And as you can see, they are healthy cats. Sa video ito, makikita mo ang paglalaro namin sa aming alagang pusa. And ang bunso kong anak ay mahilig sa pusa. Ito yung paborito niyang pinaglalaruan na pusa. Coincides that of a healthy cat is their digestive health. The weight, their eyes, ears, and the energy level. So, i-check nyo yung nila, yung pupo nila. Kung small and firm ba, it's indicate a proper nutrition absorption. And if the color of a healthy bowel movement may vary from tan to dark brown. Occasionally, green or orange. So, maano natin na healthy yon. Loose or runny stools could indicate digestive upset. So, kung hindi yung maganda yung kinakain nila, nagtatai sila. At sa kanilang weight, cats should maintain a healthy body weight based on their breed and biological sex. You should be able to feel their ribs and identify their waistline. Their eyes. Sa video ito, makikita nyo na masayang naglalaro si Greg, yung bunsong anak ko, sa aming pusa. Kasi nga ito ay napaka-energetic na pusa. Dito naman, tine-check namin yung eyes niya. If it is healthy, the cat's eyes appear bright and clear. Any discharge or cloudy pupil should be discussed with your veterinarian. We check also the ears and it's healthy. Should be light pink and free from excess dirt. And the gums and we check also the gums and the teeth of the cat, and it's color pink also, and it's healthy. And yung mga nila sharp teeth nila, at makikita nyo rin na napakaganda talaga ng balahibo ng aming pusa. Sinek din namin ang kanyang mga yung mga teeth sa may dibdib ng aming pusa, tsaka yung balahibo niya rin, napakaganda, napaka-healthy, nagpipink-pink lang. Wala kaming makitang lice sa kanyang katawan. Although, nag-i-scratch sila minsan. And the tail also is very healthy and smooth ang kanilang smooth ng kanilang balahibo. Remember, cats are experts at hiding discomfort. So, being aware of the signs can help catch any symptoms of illness early. If you ever have concerns, consult your veterinarian for personalized advice. So, nakikita niyo naman na napaka-energy level talaga ng aming cat. At pinaglalaroan ito ng aking anak. Good energy levels are a positive sign. So, hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat.